Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about National Postal Day, which is celebrated every year on October 10th. So let's move to the video. National Postal Day. National Postal Day is celebrated on October 10 every year and it is an extension of World Postal Day, which is celebrated on October 9th. National Postal Day is celebrated to mark the role played by Indian Post Department in over 150 years. Postal service was introduced by British in India. It was founded in 1854 by Dalhousie. Currently, its function under the Ministry of Communications and is the most widely distributed postal system in the world. India has 23 postal circles and 9 postal zones, including the Army Post Office. Post Office in India follows a 6-digit PIN code system which was introduced in India in 1972. India Post. India Post is a government operated postal system in India which is under jurisdiction of Department of Post, Ministry of Communications of the Government of India. Generally called the Post Office in India is the most widely distributed postal system in the world. Postal Life Insurance (PLI) and Rural Postal Life Insurance (RPLI) and providing retail services like bill collection etc. The DOP also acts as agents for Indian government in discharging other services for citizens such as old age pension payments and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme wage disbursement with 1,54,965 post office as on 31 March 2017. India Post has most widely distributed postal network in the world. Now it's quiz time about National Postal Day. So let's move. Which Governor General found telegraph and postal system? Option A, Lord Dalhousie. Option B, Lord Curzon. Option C, Lord Canning. Option D, Lord Mountbatten. And the correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. Second question, which was the first General Post Office GPO opened in India? Options, Madras GPO, Calcutta GPO, Mumbai GPO, Bengaluru GPO. And the answer is Calcutta GPO. Third question, which is the largest general post office in India? Options, Madras GPO, Calcutta GPO, Mumbai GPO, Bangalore GPO. And the answer is Mumbai GPO. What is the full form of PIN in postal service? Options, Postal Index Number, Personal Index Number, Post Identification Number, and option D, none of this. And the answer is Postal Index Number. Fifth question, which is the first postage stamp of India? Options, A, Sindh Dock, option B, Konark Horse, option C, Bodhisattva, option D, Nataraja. And the answer is Sindh Dock. Sixth question, when did PIN system started in India? Option A, 1972, option B, 1969, option C, 1882, option D, 1974. And the correct answer is 1972. Seventh question, where is the first Indian post office outside Indian territory situated? Options, Tokyo, option B, Himadri, option C, Dakshin Gangotri, option D, Bharati. And the correct answer is Dakshin Gangotri. Eighth question, which country has the most number of post office? Option A, China, option B, Japan, option C, India, and option D, USA. Correct answer is India. Ninth question. When did the service of speed post started in India? Answer options 1953, 1986, 1985 or 1972. The correct answer is 1986. Next question. In which year money order system introduced in India? Option A 1964, option B 1880, option C 1988, option D 1976. And the correct answer is 1880. Next question. In which year postal life insurance PLI started in India? Option A 1884, option B 1892, option C 1985, option D 1988. And the correct answer is option A 1884. 12th question. Where is Postal Staff College situated? Options Ghaziabad, option B Bengaluru, option C New Delhi, option D Mumbai. And the correct answer is option A Ghaziabad. Next question. Where is the highest post office in the world situated? Option A Shimla, option B Sikkim, option C Srinagar, and option D Gangtok. The right answer is Sikkim. Let's move to the next question. When did the Universal Postal Union founded? Answer options 1885, 1874, 1889 and 1869. And the right answer is 1874. Next question. Indian Postal Day is observed in option A October 14th, option B October 11th, option C October 10th, option D October 9th. And the correct answer is October 10th. Next question. First postal ATM was opened in which city? Answer options Chennai, Mumbai, New Delhi or Bengaluru. The correct answer is Chennai. 17th question. Hobby of collecting stamps is called option A philately, option B numismatics, option D pedology, option D paleontology. And the right answer is philately. Next question. Where is the headquarters of IPPB Indian Postal Payments Bank situated? Option A New Delhi, option B Mumbai, option C Bangalore, option D Bhopal. And the right answer is option A New Delhi. Next question. Name the first American president to be honored on Indian postage stamps. Option A Abraham Lincoln, option B George Washington, option C John F. Kennedy, option D Franklin Roosevelt. The correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. 28th question. How many pin code zones are there in India? Option A 10, option B 9, option C 8, option D 6. And the right answer is option B 9. Next question. First Indian state having post office in all villages is Karnataka, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh or Maharashtra. And the correct answer is Kerala. Next question. The printing of Indian postage stamp are conducted at option A India Security Press Nasik, option B Head Post Office, option C Government Central Press, option D Publication Division. And the right answer is India Security Press Nasik. Next question. The National Philatelic Museum of India is located at option A Mumbai, option B New Delhi, option C Nasik, and option D Kolkata. The right answer is New Delhi. 24th question. The length of PIN code is 6 digits, 9 digits, 5 digits, or 7 digits. Answer 6 digits. Next question. The post the Post Office Act came into force on 1st June 1988, 1st July 1878, 1st July 1898. None of this. The right answer is 1st July 1898. Next question. Where is the first floating post office of India situated? Options: Dal Lake, Srinagar; Volar Lake, Jammu and Kashmir; Vembanad Lake, Kerala; and none of this. Correct answer is Dal Lake, Srinagar. This is Hicking Post Office, which is the highest post office in the world. This is a floating post office of Dal Lake, which is situated in Dal Lake. And this is Sindh Dock, the first printed stamp. This is India Post Office in Antarctica. October 10th is the day to share National Postal Day messages with all the hard-working postal workers across the world who always bring us our mails on time. Warm wishes on National Postal Day to all the postal workers who brought us happiness and smiles with each mail they delivered. Thank you for watching.